To check your account balance on Creative Market, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform easily. Step 1. Login. Visit the Creative Market website and click on the Login button. Enter your email address and password to access your account. Step 2. Access your profile. Once logged in, locate your profile icon, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to Account Settings. In the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage your account details. Step 4. Find account balance. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Isroc to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Review your balance. Take note of your account balance displayed on the screen. You can also explore any recent purchases or sales related to your account. Now you can easily check your account balance on Creative Market whenever you need to.